Assalamu alaikum batch 156. I hope you are all doing fine. I want to tell you that you guys have a very special place in my heart because you were from the very first batch that I have ever conducted in Lahore. And you took this opportunity without any obligation, and by working together, we were able to create something so meaningful and beautiful. You guys gave yourself a beautiful chance to learn and to grow. And it is very important to give yourself chances to be kind to yourself and to others, chances to go after your wildest dreams and fantasies, chances to do things that make you feel alive, and to make peace with yourself. And if you still have no idea what you want to do with your life, I just want to tell you that it is completely fine to not know. Just keep showing up, party is going on, life is going on, this will all make sense eventually. Your heart will take you where it belongs, universe will guide you, don't worry. And I want you to take a minute, close your eyes, and try to remember the person you were on the very first day of the fellowship. Think of all the things that you have learned and all the progress that you guys have made. Take a minute and be proud of yourself because I am. And I hope you realize that if you can change this much in just 3 months, the potential for growth over a lifetime is infinite. Thank you so much, guys. I have learned so much from you. I am so glad that you are graduating. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I really hope that this video message finds you in the best of your health. I'm taking this opportunity to congratulate each and every one of you for finally graduating with beautiful colors and for showing absolute resilience throughout this entire fellowship, because it was entirely obviously online and you guys knew it, but still you guys made extra effort to be present, to give your best, and you guys did not disappoint me. So thank you so much for being such an amazing batch and for always being so truthful and honest with your communication. So thank you once again. I see brilliant minds in you, each and every one of you, and I know that you guys will do amazing. Here's to the future, and best of luck with everything that you guys do in your lives. Lots of love, Mamiwan.
Dear fellows, it's so good to see you successfully graduating out of the Amal Career Program. I've been in your sessions as your cluster manager. I've seen you participate, I've seen you ask such amazing questions in class, and it gives me immense joy to see all of you critical thinkers, problem solvers, graduating out of this program. And most importantly, it's so amazing to see how you've grown and developed from your first session to your last sessions to your final presentations. It was so amazing to see the progress that you've made, how you've thought about problems, not just for yourself, but also for the society, and you've worked on them. So, once again, I would really like to congratulate you in making it through this journey, not just skating by in this journey, but actually making your time worthwhile and investing your time and investing your energy in being a better version of yourself, and also helping your peers and colleagues be a better version of themselves. So I'm so proud of you and so happy to see you achieving this milestone with Amal Academy.
Part of the award ceremony, which is the awards announcement, and the gold medalist for batch 156 is Hafiz Muhammad Umair. Well done, Hafiz. Next up, we have the announcement for the best mega project, and please keep looking at the screen for the announcement of the winner. Yes, it's Hasiyat, Abdurrahman, Aisha Latif, Hamza, Irshad, Sadaf, and Sajid. Well done. The highest honors go to Adnan Hashim, Aisha Latif, Hafiz Muhammad Umair, Hamza Ayaz, M. Zishan, Muhammad Waleed, नेहा अहमद, सबी अकमल, सादिया फजल, साजिद हुसैन, सिद्रा जाहिद, तलहा सईद, उर्फा समद, Zarmeen Fatma, and for the honors list we have Abdur Rahman, Aisha Hussain, Chaudhry Arsalan Mansha, Ghania Azhar, Hadia Hussain, Hassan Riaz, Ikra Naz, Irshad Ahmed, Khushbakht Ali, Mirza Abdul Basit, Muhammad Ahmer Naim, Muhammad Ayaz Noor Khan, Muhammad Shahriyar, Muniba Asghar, Nimra Jameel, Sadaf Irshad, Sara Zaid, Savera Nasir, Shahzeb Shafai, Sayyida Kainat Fatma, Zille Hina, and now we have our graduates: Adnan Khan, Ehsan Ahmed, Malik Mazhar Beg, Sayyid Muhammad Bilal Hassan, Sayyid Muhammad Faiq Hussain. Thank you guys, thank you so much, so proud of you all.